Hello everyone, greetings from HomeFirst. You know HomeFirst Customer Portal is live for Android users and iOS users. You can download or update the latest version from Google Play Store and App Store. The link is available in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for our latest updates. Today we are going to educate you about one of the features of a customer portal, that is how to make part payment. So let's start with the demo. Click on Customer Portal Login if you have already registered. If not, please check our video on how to register on the portal. The link is available in the description box. After you log in, you can see the dashboard with all your active loan details. In the dashboard, you can see the option of Pay Now. After clicking on that, you will get multiple options where you have the option of making EMI payment, part payment, auto prepay, service request, etc. So we are going to see how to make a part payment. Now I am choosing the part payment option. After clicking on it, choose any of the accounts you wish to pay for. I will click on Home Loan. In that, you can see your home loan account number, loan and payment type, that is part payment, and the amount in the amount section. You can make a minimum amount of 50 or more. Here, I will enter 10,000 rupees. And after entering the amount, you will get to see two options which you can opt for, that is EMI reduction or tenure reduction. If you choose EMI reduction, your 10,000 amount will be adjusted in principal amount which is remaining, and the tenure will remain the same. If you choose tenure reduction, tenure will be reduced and the EMI amount will remain the same. Tenure reduction is a better option for me, so I am choosing the tenure reduction option. And after clicking on continue, you will get a pop-up asking to enter your password again. Once you enter the password, you can click on proceed. Next, you will get a payment gateway wherein you get an option of Razor Pay. You have to click on that. After that, you will have multiple options on how you can make the payment through net banking, UPI or debit card. I am clicking on the UPI option. You can enter your UPI ID and password here. And you can click on pay 10,000 rupees. If you click here, you will be redirected to the payment processing page. Whenever you have an extra amount, you can pay through the part payment option to save a lot of interest. We have given you all the information about this feature. If you have any queries regarding this, please drop a comment below. Please share this video with other HomeFirst Customer Portal users and make them familiar with this feature. Thank you.